I needed to get away for a while. This is not just one fight.
Mom called again. I can't talk right now.
He always says it like that. Not tonight.
It has been building for years. I did not leave because of today.
You never take responsibility.
I try every day. I feel smaller every time. It is not just today.
I am so tired of feeling wrong.
Years of this. Always the one who messes up.
I just needed space. Yet. Nah, not yet.
I do not want to go back yet.
It feels like I am always wrong.
Many years of feeling this.
I am not angry, I am tired.
I just want to be heard.
Maybe I should say something. Not ready yet.
Space is what I need now. They look happy.
That dad just listened. I wish that was us. Mom asked if I am safe.
I am safe, I just need space.
I am typing it now.
There, I sent it. My heart is beating fast. This is the first step.
He is safe, thank God. But my eyes are still wet. He is safe.
This night is about more than being late.
I am going back now?
I am home.
I did not leave because of today.
I am tired of trying not to disappoint you.
I thought pushing you would make you stronger.
We all need to learn how to talk better.
We need to talk about this as a family. I will try to listen first.
I will not disappear like that again.
That is a good start for all of us.
I am glad you are home, brother.
Thanks, Lily. I missed you too.
Oh.
We are all here now.
Tonight showed us we need to change.
The distance feels smaller now.
I feel a little better already.
We start listening more from now.
Small steps are okay.
My rabbit says welcome home.
Thanks, sis. I needed that.
This feels like the beginning.
We will keep trying every day.
I will not run again.
Can we all stay together now?
I am here when you want to talk.
I heard you, Dad.
Good night, son.
That was a good first step.
Everyone is trying now.
The door is not closed tight anymore.
We are all learning.
Tonight was hard but good.
We will keep going.
Okay.
Good night, family.
Tomorrow will be different.
We are a family again.
I feel heard tonight.
We are okay.
Sleep well, everyone.
We made it through.
The house feels warmer now.
Good night, Ryan.
We are learning together.
One day at a time.
I am home. Family is together.
Tomorrow is new.
We will be better.
I am not small anymore.
We fixed it.
The silence is not loud.